so ano yung story natin? Ayun. Ruth and Naomi.
This is Naomi, who was a Jewish woman from Bethlehem in Judah. Naomi's husband took her and her two sons to live in the country called Moab.
Okay, so saan daw pupunta si Ruth? Sa country ng Moab. Kasama ang kanyang mga anak.
Because there was a famine in Judah, meaning there wasn't enough food for them to eat. While they were in Moab, Naomi...
Okay, bakit daw sila umalis sa Judah? Kasi may famine daw yung, alam niyo yung ano, El Nino? Alam niyo yun, no? Hindi, yung tagtuyot. Yung mainit, tapos wala silang makuha yung magsasaka. Kaya walang makain, ganun yung famine. Kaya punta sila sa Moab.
His husband died, and her sons married two Moabite women named Orpah and Ruth.
Okay, so nag-asawa na yung dalawang anak niya. Yung babae pangalan nila is Oprah at si Ruth. So, yun ang naging, yun ang mga nag-asawa ng anak ni Naomi.
But then Naomi's sons died, leaving Naomi, Orpah, and Ruth alone.
Namatay daw yung mga anak niyang lalaki, kaya nag-iisa na lang daw si Orpah, saka Naomi at si Ruth.
Naomi heard that God had blessed his people in Judah by giving them good crops for food again.
Pero, bless daw sila ni God, binigyan daw sila ng maraming harvest na pagkain. Kayo ba? Binibless pa kayo ni God? Siyempre, opo. Sige nga, I am blessed by God, sabihin nga natin. Bless ako ni God. Bless ako ni God. 3, 2, 1. Bless ako ni God.
So Naomi took her two daughters-in-law and set out for Judah. On the way, Naomi told her daughters-in-law to go back to their mother's homes. They all cried, and then Ruth and Orpah told Naomi that they wanted to go with her to her people. But Naomi told them to go home and marry other men. They all cried again, and Orpah said goodbye.
Okay, so bumabalik na sila sa Judah. Pero ang sabi ni Naomi, bumalik na si Orpah at si Ruth sa tahanan nila para daw sila mag-asawa ng bagong lalaki. Pero ayaw ni Ruth, kaya sumama siya kay Naomi.
Ruth clung tightly to Naomi, though. Naomi told her that she should go like Orpah did. But Ruth said, "Don't ask me to leave you and turn back. Wherever you go, I will go. Wherever you live, I will live."
Okay, so sabi ulit ni Naomi kay Ruth, sige na, pwede ka na umalis. Pero ayaw talaga ni Ruth. Gusto niya samahan niya si Naomi. Kaya sabi niya, kung kahit saan ka pumunta, kung kahit nasaan ka, nandun ako. Sabi niya.
Your people will be my people, and your God will be my God. When Naomi saw that Ruth was set on going with her, she said nothing more. So Ruth and Naomi went back to Judah. When the people in Bethlehem saw Naomi, they were excited. But Naomi said, "Call me Mom, for the Almighty has made life very bitter for me."
Okay, so yung pagbabalik nila sa Judah, sinalubong sila ng mga tao. Sabi niya, "Hi, Naomi." Sabi nila. So kayo ba, kapag punta ba kayo ng school, sinasalubong ba kayo ng mga kaibigan nyo? Sabi ba nila, "Hi, hello, kamusta kayo? Ano kinain nyo?" Wala ba? Hindi. Paano ang pag-uwi nyo sa bahay? Hindi ba hinaan sila mama nyo? Kaya nag-bless ba kayo? Bakit? Si Moses, huwag mo uwi ka. Ano mo na ginagawa mo? Nag-ano ka na agad ata. Yung punasan mo na i-invite mo. Okay, so...
When Ruth and Naomi returned, it was harvest time in Bethlehem. Ruth went to gather grain in the field of a man named Boaz.
Okay, so yung nasa Bethlehem daw, harvest time daw. So, may namit daw si Ruth na si Boaz na lalaki.
Boaz treated Ruth with kindness and made sure that she and Naomi had food from the fields. Naomi heard of this and told Ruth that Boaz was a close relative of Naomi's husband.
Okay, so yun, sinabi ni Ruth kay Naomi na may nakilala siyang pangalan ng Boaz na lalaki at sinabi niya kay Naomi.
So he could be her husband. Ruth went to Boaz and told him that he was her family's redeemer.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Boaz then put everything in order to take.
Okay, so punta si Ruth kay Boaz para sinabi niya siya yung redeemer. Tapos punta siya sa mga kaibigan niya para sabihin sa kanila.
Ruth as his wife. Ruth and Boaz had a son named Obed. Now,
Okay, so anong pangalan anak nila? Obed. Si Ruth at si
Naomi cared for Obed as if he were her own. Obed went on to have a son of his own named Jesse. And he
So ano daw yung naging anak ni Obed? Anong pangalan niya? Si Jesse. Kilala niyo si Jesse? Sa Bible? Hindi? Okay. So siya yung anak ni Ruth.
had a son named David who would
Tapos si Jesse, ang naging anak niya, si David. Kilala niyo si David, no? Kilala niyo, no? Kaya yung maliit na sumalo kay Goliath.
be the great king of Israel who defeated a giant named Goliath. And many, many years later, Ruth and Boaz's descendants would include Jesus.
Okay, so habang lumipas ng panahon, yung mga naging anak nila, descendant nila, yung mga, yun, naging great, ano nila, saan ganun, di ba may lolo-lola kayo, ganun tayo. Hanggang dumating daw sa punto na nasa bloodline na ni Jesus daw.
The Savior of the world.
Okay, so ano yung anong pangalan ng story